What's up guys, welcome to our channel Think Beyond the Brain. Today we are going to learn about today we are not going to learn anything. Today we will just do a general discussion about resolutions. Now as you all know that now in new year everyone take resolutions. Now what are resolutions? Resolutions are the things which we take for we are giving a promise to ourselves that we will do this thing from this new year till the other new year. So like this, today we are going to talk about 45 plus new year's resolutions. So let's get started. And yep, these resolutions are not just only for others, they are for students, businessmen, and for all others. Now, and if you want to know all everything, please subscribe our channel. Please like our channel. Subscribe our channel and share our channel. Because if you subscribe our channel, there will come a bell icon. And if you click at the bell icon, you will understand that when our videos are coming, you will get a notification. So please like, share and subscribe our channel. And yeah, make sure that you watch our video till the end. Now, 45 plus New Year resolutions. Now, these are the resolutions, or we can say goals. These are goals for students, businessmen, and all others. Some popular New Year resolutions, which we are going to tell you today. So, and that you can take, you can promise yourselves, and yeah, it is nothing bad in that. If you do this, you will feel very good. People with you will feel very good. Then this new year is right time too for this kind of change. Now, this new year, now because of the COVID-19 pandemic, we all are at home. We all are just sitting at home. So we can take some new resolutions. We can work on them. We can make our personality good. We can make our behaviors good. So that's why they are 45. So that's why we are telling you to take 45. We have 45 plus New Year resolutions for 2022. But there are a lot of people who don't know how to start this or how to work. So that's why this is our ideas with you today. And the first resolution is healthy life. Now, healthy food. Now, healthy food means now from the topic only, you can understand that we should eat healthy food. Now, what to take plays a very critical role. Healthy food plays a very critical role in your life and happiness. If you take healthy foods, then you can live a healthy lifestyle. Now, what is the saying? If you take a healthy foods, now if I'm eating healthy foods, I will feel very good. As we have learned in the last video in the digestive system that if we take healthy foods, we will be healthy. So that's why over here is also that resolution that eat healthy food, our lifestyle will be also healthy. And the one who has good health will have a healthy mind too. So if you choose healthy food, it will reflect in your daily life. That's the reason that nature created different food for different regions in the world. Foods are grown as per the need of a particular area of the earth. Now, you all know that there are many types of food, like there are fruits, there are vegetables, there are cereals, there are pulses, then there are like wheat, then there are cash crops, then there are food crops. We cannot end listing the foods. So that's why, and these all cannot grow in a particular region. Everyone has a particular region that some things like wheat is grown in a muddy region, like a sandy soil over there, and then some other crops, some another like bamboos. The bamboos grow in this place also, but if you want to grow bamboo very neatly, very properly, you can grow them in the tropical region. So that's why many many types of food over here. So that's why they have in the different cultures, different regions. What is our second one? Wake up early in the morning and sleep early at the night. Now, what does this say? Now they are saying that we should wake up early in the morning, because you all know that if we wake up early in the morning, then we will find our mind very fresh. If we learn something in the morning, it will be in our mind for a long time. If we wake up early in the morning, we can complete our tasks very early, and then we can, the extra time which comes, we can do everything slowly. It will not be a rush. Why sleep early at the night? If we sleep early at the night, we'll wake up early in the morning. And sleeping early at night is a good thing, because all day we are wake up. All day we are not sleeping. So our eyes, our body needs to get rest early. So that's why sleep early at the night. Now, as it is the old saying in English too, early to rise, early to bed makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. Now what? Now this says that if we wake up early, if we go to bed early, then the man becomes healthy and wise. And it is a very true too. If you walk early and sleep on time, you will a lot of positive differences in your overall health. Walking early has a lot of other benefits too, like you can save more time. Now, as I told that waking early, we will get a lot of time. If we will complete our tasks early, we will get a lot of time to relax and other important works too. We can do other things, like we just not want to do the things which are there from first only. We have to learn some new things. We have to do some new things. So that's why if we will wake early, we can see new things, we can understand new things, we can try to learn new things. If we have more time, we can exercise daily and many more. What is the third one? Third one resolution is the learning something new every day or every week or every month. Now, why we should learn something new every day or every week or every month? We are human beings, and learning makes us greater than any other species in the universe. Learning new things not just differentiates us from other species, but also differentiates us from other humans too. Now, if we learn new things, and new things, we will understand more things. And if we will know this much things, everyone will know that, yeah, this person knows everything, this person knows this. So we will also feel a little bit proud, so that I know this, I can learn more. This is a very good ability, a very good thing, learning something new every day or every week or every month. Because now we have time, now we have taken the resolution of the waking early morning and sleeping early at night. So we have time at the morning, so we can do this resolution very easily. We are human beings. What differentiates us from other creatures is our knowledge and mind. We have a better brain, which gives us the capability to think and evaluate what is wrong and what is right. Now, the brain which we have, it will not be to others. Sometimes some face can match with others, sometimes some things can match with others with some people's, but the brain will not ever match with other people's. Like our brain is different, their brain is different. Our thinking capability is different, their thinking capability is different. So that's why everyone should learn new things by their selves, by their time. That if they can do this every day, okay. If they can do in a month, okay. But yeah, we should learn new things always. Let's take some examples to prove it. Imagine you want to start a business but don't have much knowledge of how to do that. how will do now that now? There are chances that you may say that I will do MBA or other equivalent degree or courses to learn that. Yep. Now they are saying the example is that if you want to become business, if you want to start a business, then what you will have to do? You will have to do MBA or some other degrees, BA and other. So what you will do? You will take courses and that all. But what do you think? But what do you think that only doing MBA is enough for learning business? As MBA is just the studying some books in the university? No, but actual business is not of the kind. There we have to learn things, we have to understand things. Now if you will learn everything new, if you will read books, if you will understand new things, if you will learn new things, from that also think, if I have learned today this, I have learned this yesterday. Now this all is there in my mind. So if some problems comes, if I have to give some advice to others, now if they ask me a question, this will be from what I have learned. This will be in some another way, some another way in the thing which we have learned. So we have to just remind that and just we have understood that. That's why we should learn new things every day or every week or every month. Now the fourth one is be active and do some exercise daily. Now we should be active now. If as in the COVID-19 pandemic we are sitting at homes, now some people, some children say that just like that, we are getting bored. So that's why we should be active now. Just we are getting bored means nothing. There are many things to do. We can do paints, we can paint things, we can draw things, we can draw something, then we can craft something, then we can learn something, we can draw something, we can exercise, we can play, we can learn something of playing. Whatever you like, you can do. Because just we are at home, we have time. So we can do this. But when the schools and the jobs and that everything starts, we don't have any time. So that's why we have time now, we should use it. Now learning something, now be active to do some exercise daily. It is a very essential and important life lesson. Everyone should take seriously before your body starts catching diseases. Now, yep, if you will not do exercise, if you will not make our body strong, you know that everyone catch diseases. Everyone another have some diseases, have some allergies. So to prevent them all, we should exercise daily, we should eat healthy food. So you may not be much serious about your health, but you can ignore them. You may be careless today when you are healthy, but if you don't make the habit of keeping your body active, hydrated, and energetic, then you will repent of your health in future. But now the question is how to do exercises in today's busy schedule. Now, yeah, now some people have work from home or some have to go out. So how we will do exercise in this busy schedule where every second person is doing the job for someone of having his own business? Some people claim that they don't have time for exercise, but it is just a pure excuse, nothing else more. As we have learned, we can, if we will wake up early in the morning, if we will finish our works fast, there is time. There are people who are millionaires and billionaires who have a lot of time to visit their favorite destinations and do exercise or yoga daily. There hardly may be someone who is rich but not healthy. Your health plays a very important role in your success. If you are running a business but suffering from a different diseases, you can't go much far in your life. So make yourself more healthy this year. Now be savvy. Now what is the meaning of this? Be savvy. Being savvy is very important to succeed in your life. By being savvy, you can manage your expenses, better. Now, you all know that people do that we all have piggy banks. Now, what we do, if we get a little bit of money, we use a little bit and we put a little bit in the piggy bank, and we cannot remove money from the piggy bank. But now when it is very important, like it's very important that I have to take a car because my office is or my school is very far. So what I will do, it is very important. If I will not do that, that will be a very big problem. So in this case only, I will take my piggy bank and then I will use its money for buying a car. So this is the advantage of saving money. One who keeps this important thing in mind live a better and happy life compared to those who don't save money for their future plans. If you save money for the future, then you can save yourself from the uninvited problems, like lack of money for starting a new business or investing in a new businesses. Now, there are some instances in your life when you run out of money. Now, some problems are there, like today I am going to shopping and I wasted my money. I just take all the things which I needed from the shopping, and my money is I don't have no money. But suddenly some accident happened. Now I want money for doing the operation, or I want money to give the doctor. So what I will do? So in this cases, which money I have saved in the piggy banks that I can use in this critical problems, in these urgent problems where I want the money urgently. Make new connections. Now, make new connections means making new connections plays a great role in the success of our business and in our personal life as well. A person who has more connections will do more progress in life compared to those who have no connections or have very few connections. Now, in this case, connections means having a lot of friendly with everyone. Now, we should be friendly with everyone. We should make friends a lot. Making new connections in life is very important as it opens more opportunities for getting success in life. Imagine you want to do business, have no knowledge or experience to do business. How will you do that? Now, in this case, connections means to learn new things, to learn new things. Like I have full day. So what I will do? I can do in this to this time from in the morning. I can do exercise and my other work. In the other time, at the noon, I can do something. I can do dance practice. In evening, I can make YouTube videos. In night, I can understand. I can be prepared for everything. So we have time. So we have to make connections with everything. We should make new things. So let's come to a question. But having good connections can help you in that a lot. You can take help from your friends at any time. As I said, that if I don't have experience about business, I can ask my friends. I can learn some new things. I can ask my friends that, yeah, can you help me about this thing? You can help me about this particular thing. Now respect everyone. Now respect everyone. Now in this, it means that you have to respect everyone. It is old, it is poor, it is rich, it is old. We should reach everyone because respect everyone means we have to give respect everyone. So why? Because if we will seek respect, if we will give respect to everyone, it is everyone's prosperity, is everyone's thing. We cannot take it from anyone. And if we respect everyone, then this will be the door of success in our life. Looking inside you, what do you want? Money or respect first? You can ask this question to yourself. What do you want? You want money, or people should respect you, or people should or you want money? What if I give you money? but insult you on daily basis, will you accept that? No, because if anyone tells us, see, like, if we are not doing the things properly, if you're not doing things uh need, then they will scold us, they will insult us on our daily things. But if we respect others, then they will respect us, then we will feel a little bit good. No one is telling us anything, we are good, we are making others good, so this is a good thing. There would hardly be someone who will say yes, and that would also be for short time. No one can bear it for a long time. And that's the reason, if you give respect to others, then they will also start giving respect to you back. Giving respect to others opens their heart for us. They start sharing their personal life experiences with you more openly, which ends up in friendship very soon. Some people find the best love in this way, some find their best friends, and some others. So now behave the people the way you want others to behave to you. Now, if you want that others should respect me, others should talk me politely, others should not scold me, others should talk with me very good mannerly. So that's why we should also talk them in the same way. We should also behave with them in the same way. Now we will talk about eighth. Life, live a balanced life. Now, live a balanced life means life becomes more beautiful when you live a balanced life. Now, some people may be new to this kind of thing as they never gave it a single thought. That is it missing in their life or not? Is they are living a balanced life or just keeping going in life with the flow without giving it conscious thought that what they are doing or the way they are living it, is that the right way to live the life or not? Now this says that living a balanced life is a very important thing in the person's life. Now we will first plan that if we did this, now if we pass in this, I will get something new. So I will ask about a remote control car or a remote control helicopter, or I will plan that at this point I will do like this, and at this point I will do like this. So this comes in the balanced life. But if they are asking that you are living a balanced life, or if the life is going like this, you are letting it be that, yeah, now everything is going like this, so I will also go like this only. So this is not a good thing. We should live a balanced life. We should make plannings. We should go with the plannings. Living an unbalanced life does not show any negative impacts on us. But when we live it for longer, then it starts showing many side effects of our unbalanced life. Now, some may be thinking that after all, what is this balanced life? And that I am talking about. We are human beings and we have many things with us, like a family, friends, relationships, health, entertainment, and many more. What if you forget your family while doing work, and all the time you just focus on the work or money only? You will face many problems in future just because of this, that you ignored your family. Everyone has some responsibility for his family which we need to fulfill on time. Like, you can't ignore looking after your children and wife. They need your love and care from time to time. Now, for just work, we cannot forget our family. Family, we cannot forget our friends. For friends, we cannot forget our family. For health, we cannot forget our entertainment. For entertainment, we cannot forget our health. Now, this all to come in a proper manner, we have to live a balanced life. We have to make some plannings, like at this time I will do this, from this to this I will do this. If I go with this plan, I will do that thing. So this all comes in balanced life. Now be responsible. Number 9. Now be responsible comes to understand we should do our things properly. Like, Be responsible for what you are doing, especially if something has gone wrong. Now, due to your mistake, then accept those mistakes. Now, we should understand we should be responsible with our things. We should be responsible with our permission. We should be responsible with our things. What our elders had told us, that if we do something wrong, we should accept our mistakes. It is a very important business lesson. If you learn this business lesson timely, then you can do much progress in your life. It is an important lesson for building a business, your life, empire. People who take responsibility for the loss in the business and life are preferred by the people more, and people start following such life. Now, 10th one is don't take it too seriously. Now, all things we should not take so much seriously, like that business or our work, our study is a little bit to take serious, but not all things. Life is too short. Taking everything too serious is not a good thing. We should relax. We should go with our. We should understand. We should feel with nature. We have to go with nature. We should not always be serious. We should enjoy sometimes. We should enjoy the lose and failures in our life, as you can not control everything. You can try your best, but things will work the way they should be. There are a lot of people who try to control everything, and when things go out of control, they start crying. It should not be a part of a happy life. If you want a happy life, then you must learn to ignore some things, like good times are not stable, so the bad times. If you're facing bad times in our life, have patience and wait for the good times. There would be times when everything would fall as you want that. The 11th one, take some risks this year. Now, there are a lot of people who fear to take even a small risk in their life, but they forgot one thing, that without taking risks, nothing big happens. Now, if you will think that, no, if I will go like this and if I fail, then everyone will troll me, everyone will make me funny and that all. But we should take some risk in your life. If we not take risks, nothing should happen. Like all the scientists, all the doctors and this in the COVID pandemic, they are giving their life. They are just saying whatever happens us, let it be. If we are making corona, if we are dying, let it be, but everyone others should be there alive. It means that they are saying that we have to put our life in risks so that this thing should be made. We have to understand, we have to try our best to make this thing whatever happens to us. This is a very good example for this thing, that we have to take risks for to live our life properly. Or you want to go visit different places in the world but don't have money to go there, or don't have time from your job, but these takes the risk to say no to your job and do something of your own, where you can do whatever you want to do. Or you already have a business but don't like the one that you are doing and want to change the business that you are doing now, but fear to take the risk, and every year settle for the same business in fear. Take the risk to change the life, then the business this year and start something new. Because in this thing, that if we will do the things which we are not interested in, that things they will be not in a proper way, that will be not in a proper flow, that will be not in a good manner. But the things which we like, our full concentration will be that. Our full concentration will be on it only. If others are distracting us, but then also our concentration will be on it because we like that thing. The 12th one is live in the moment. Now, there are people who try to live there in such a way where everything is under their control. They think that the future will be in their control and things will happen as they plan today. But things don't work this way. There can be some instances that things fail the way you planned but will not work every time. We are human beings and can live in the present only. We have the power to plan the future and do our best in the present. Once you will start focusing on the present, our future will start changing automatically. We should not just plan our future always. Yeah, sometimes yeah, at this time I will do like this, it's okay. But only just for planning our future, we should not waste our present. We should first focus in our present, then start for future. Because our present will be the future or the future will be the present. Invest in yourself. Now, this year, make a habit of investing in yourself. Self investment can be done through various ways, like you take admission in some new communication classes, or you can learn a new language, or can learn a website designing, or new business skills, and so on. We should try to, we should not only spend money in the other things, in the lifestyle, in helping people. Yeah, helping people is good, but not always. We should first, we should also do self investment, means we should see to ourselves, we should see that why we are not good at this thing, why we are not good at this thing, why we are bad at this thing. We should build our legs on our own only, and then we have to build the upper body. You are what you are what you learned in the past will be what you will learn today. Your learning plays a very important role in your earnings too. It is the old saying, the more you learn, to more you earn. Imagine you are good at writing and start a content writing business or freelancing, and after having a lot of experience, you learn website building too. Then you can start your own blog website too. And if you keep your learning continue and learn new skills like video editing and shooting, and start a YouTube channel and start earning from YouTube too, the same way, the more you earn, the more opportunities will come on your way. Now, the 14th one is start meditation and yoga every day. Now, in this thing, I can just directly say you that the yoga is a very important thing in our life, because from these yogas and this all is from our primitive life. Now, when the life of the human beings was started, from that time the people, from that time the monkeys, from when the monkeys started to live like a human started, just from that time the yoga, and that is very important. Now at that time, that monkeys and that all had special things like that. They can climb trees, they can make big jumps. Then they slowly were using their hands. Now in this thing also comes that they were trying to use their hands very in a good manner, and legs in a good manner, and then they were very good in that. So like that only we have to do that yoga and meditation every day. Now, and in yogas, it is, now yoga is not just for doing this thing and doing this thing for a lot of time and then saying that I don't know, I didn't remember that what I did in the past. Now yoga is a thing like that, if we are able to now move our hand in all the directions, but we should not move, we should not forget that what we have learned first. So that's what this you have to do every day, and yoga is in this particular thing only. Now meditation does not require much physical activity. We have to just sit in a proper place. We should take our comfortness, and just we have to go in a silent world zone. We have to just think that we are in a different world. We are just alone over there. We should just think on our body, on the smelling, on the things which we have learned, on the things which we want to do, and that all. Now the 15th one is make a health goal. Now, health is the first priority, which should be for everyone too. Without good health, no one can survive much in any profession. Health is not just important for doing professional works, but it is important to live a happy life too. It is your goal, health, that insists you to work hard in your life and achieve big dreams. So now the question is that what you can do for your good health. There are many different ways to keep you healthy, in which some are expensive for some people and some are very easy to do. Like if you have money, then you can join some professional health clubs like gym, dance classes or yoga classes too. But there are chances that some people may not have money for these things. In that case, you can do some free options like you can do cardio, yoga from home with the help of watching YouTube videos, exercise at the home, dance at home, and so on. Ignore negative people. No, ignore negative people. There are so negative people around us who always will find something negative in you, in your work, and anything that you show them, they will find something negative. It is the time to say goodbye to such people. Welcome positive new people in your life and learn from the people. Now, we should not just always see the negative things in the life. Like, if sometimes we cannot go to a water park, but if it is raining outside, if we have, you can see, for good example, you can see this COVID-19 pandemic. Now, because of this COVID-19 pandemic, everyone are at home, no one is going out. Now, everyone has get a time to stay with their family, to stay with their friends. They are all day home, they can meet, they can be fit with their family, they can live very finely with their family, they will talk every day, they can talk, and they will very feel also very good. So in this COVID-19 pandemic, we should not see the negative thing that all this COVID-19 and this also have came. We have to just follow the rules and think positive about it. Now spend some time alone. Spending some time alone teaches a lot of things about life. It is a time when you can go inside yourself and can ask questions to yourself, like what is life and what are you here in this universe. As you know, nothing in this world is not for just sake. There is something reason on this world. There is a reason that why I am here in this world, why you are here in this world. There is some or other reason. In this time when we are alone with ourselves, we can just go deep in ourselves. We can just ask questions to ourselves. We can talk our things alone with ourselves only, and then we can feel a little bit reliefs. Spending some time with yourself is the process of self realization. Once you learn to spend some time yourself, life becomes easier and you start loving yourself. You lose your worries and be happy now. 18th, stop complaining. Now, almost 90% of people have this habit. They complain a lot all the time about everything that happens against expectations. They want everything as per their choice and want to get everything. They want everything for free without paying for that. But they forgot there is nothing free in this world. If you want something, you have to give something in this whole world. If you want things, if you want food, you have to give money. If you want money, you have to work. If you want to work, you have to show your skills. You have to show your power and put your day and night in that. And if you want good health, you will have to sweat in gym, or will have to exercise at home. If you want something good in your life that you don't have right now, some people even complain to God for their situation. So he made the rule of karma. If you do karma, you will get the result as per your karma and situation. If you do the thing in the right direction and at the right time, then magic will happen. So next time, if you do feel low and complain about yourself, think about million and billion of those who are so misfortune. Now, 19th one, don't try to change other. Now, life is too short to change someone who doesn't care about you. People are born with some qualities of which some are bad and some are good. Some can't change anyone. It is their own mindset that changes them. Now, some people doesn't change if we try harder to change them. Some people are there for just that thing which they are doing now. We cannot change them from this particular thing. If they are made for just painting, we cannot move their head. We cannot just tell them, we cannot change them from the painting to other things. So that's why so don't try to change others. You can't change anyone. So why should you waste your time on such things which don't work? Instead of changing someone else, you should work on yourself. Your all focus should be on yourself only. This habit will make you a better version of yourself. The 20th one, don't talk negative things about others. Now, there are a lot of people who love to gossip or talk negative things about others without any reason, which even don't need to, as you get nothing out of that. Second, it is bad for our brain, as the brain makes a pattern of habits that we do on daily basis. If we will do something negative in our life, our brains still are there to adopt those habits. And once the brain makes it a part of your life, it will be hard to quit those habits. And there is said about habits. Bad habits die hard means bad habits take time. Why should we do that which is only trouble for us and for our brain? Now talk less, do more. From this heading, we can understand that many people just talk that I can do like this, I will do like this, but they do nothing. They just say about it. This is one of the secrets of almost every rich and successful person in this world. They don't believe in talking, they do work. They know that there is no benefit to talking, so they keep their focus on work. Second, people like to see results. They don't mean what you said. If you are a winner, people will support you and be with you. But if you lose, they will insult you and laugh at you. People don't care about the losers. They just care about the winners. Now, keeping your goals in writing. Everyone has some dream. As he grows, but many times he forgets his dreams due to problems in life. But when you keep those in writing, them be always in your mind. Now think big. Now we should not just think smaller. Yeah, I will do like this. This is very small thing. We should always think big. Have a big picture of that in your mind. If you make a financial goal to earn 1 million this year, then try a bigger goal, like a 10 million goal or 100 million goal, or as per bigger you can. Now, you all know that if sometimes you think that I want to go in army. Yep. Now in army means that you want to do anything in army. No, I want to become a soldier. I say I want to become a soldier. But what if happen if you got a more little post from it? So that's why we should think big. Now if I think that I want to become an army captain. Yep. Now my goal was to become an army soldier. But if I try to become an army captain, what is the problem? If I become an army captain, I will feel proud. If I will become an army soldier, I will feel proud. So that's why think big, nothing is going to change. If you plan to make yourself fit, make a goal to be a fitness trainer or yoga trainer. Write down your next day plan in advance. Now, the 24th one is telling us that we should plan our things in advance. We should plan things in advance, because if we will think, if you will say that today, tomorrow we can, today I can, tomorrow I can complete this thing, tomorrow I will complete this thing. So this will be we can make a track. Tomorrow I will complete this thing. So today I will do this. Tomorrow my work is done. Most of us plan our day on the same day, which is one of our big mistakes, as this habit takes a lot of time from our life and decreases our productivity too. But when you have a plan for the day in advance, you know what you're going to do today. Then you can do that work happily and efficiently. Making plans for the next day also helps us to live our lives in a better way. Now, as we can plan it better when we plan it in the night, because when we are going to sleep, we have not time it, and when we sleep, sometimes we don't get sleep. We don't now when people get bored, they automatically sleep. But if we are active in this thing, we will be active in this thing. We will not get sleepy. We can think everything in a better time, in a better thing. No one is there to disturb us now. Learn a new skill every month or within 3 months. Now, as we told that we should learn new things every month, but not more than it. Because skill in a month, and if the skill is a little complicated, then it may take some more time, like 3 months or more. Learning new skills makes you more confident in your personal and professional life. You do work more efficiently and get ideas as per your skills. If you have a skill, then your mind will be broad and open. The more you learn, the more you earn. It is true. It will give you more ideas in business to do as per your existing skills. If you have more than one skill, then you will get more ideas in your life. Now, 27th one is do your small work yourself. Now, we should not just do the works, we should not tell small works to others only, because if in a better way that if there is a small distance, we walk by ourselves, because we should not waste petrol, we should not waste CNGs and that all, because they are very important. If they are not just for granted, they are not just for, they cannot, that is, that will end one time, then they will take more time to again become like that form. So that's why it is very important, and that's why only we should, for small works, we should not waste things, we should not tell people. If we can do it on our own, then it becomes our active and responsibility. 28th one is do something courageous daily. Now, sometimes if we try to do something, sometimes we get bored or sometimes we get scared. Like we should, if we think that doing this we will feel a little bit enjoyment, but then when we try to do it, you become a little bit scary. But yeah, sometimes we have to be courageous. Sometimes we have to become brave. You have to just do a little bit thing, and then we become this. And today, yep, we are making this video for more than 1 hour. So that's why be prepared with your all popcorns and drinks, because this video is not ending over here only. As you all know, they have 45 plus New Year resolutions. So yep, be with your snacks and other things. And yeah, don't forget that this is the 28th one. And if you will feel that yeah, now this will this will end up in a little bit time, but no, if I want, I can extend it very big. So yeah, be prepared, be there with your popcorns. And yeah, I am thinking beyond my brain. You also start thinking about it. Now, the 29th one is help someone who really needs someone. Now, we should not help people just for like this only. That someone has told to help everyone. So we will just help this person like this and help this person like this. Now, the person who is able to walk properly and that he understands things, you are helping him to crossing the road. It is not means it is a good thing, but not in a proper way. Now he don't need your help, but some people need your help. You should help that thing, that people like old people, poor peoples. Now 13th one is choose eco-friendly things. Now you all know that we should not produce a lot of pollution in our environment. We should use eco-friendly things. Now eco-friendly things means the things are made from the environment, not from the waste. Like if now thing like from today there are no plastic, there will no plastic things will start making. So what you will do? You will take, if you have a lot of plastic, what you will do? We can recycle them. We should give it to the recycle persons who do like that. Then they will make something from it. They will from plastic bags, they will make bottles. And that bottles again we can use, and then we can drink water from it and we can use for traveling. Then the bottles are not something sometimes that there are holes or the cap is disappeared of something that is forgotten. Then what you will do? Again give that bottle to recycle. They can make plastic table from many bottles. Then again we can use that table. Then again the table is gone. Then we can again use it like bottles, or you can use it like paper bags, like plastic bags. So all these things are making just from a single bottle, a single plastic bag. So like this only. That's why like this. Now this thing, like over here, I will show you, I will explain this, the recycling of eco-friendly, a very good thing. That if now I am using this thing, then I will give it to recycle, then it will turn into this thing, then I will recycle, it will again become this thing, and then again in a proper way. So first paper, then first plastic bag, then bottle, then table, again plastic bag. So one plastic only is recycling all these times. So that's why like using the plastic many times over here, this is the best use of plastic. Then 31 is plant more trees. Now why planting more trees? Because more trees, more oxygen, more food, more things. This year, take a pledge to plant more and more trees. Say goodbye to bad friends. Now, some friends are not good to us, and some friends say that we are not good to them. So that's why say goodbye to bad friends. We don't want a friendship with bad friends, or if we can change them, if they want to play with us, we can try to play with them very good mannerly, and if they try to play with us in a good mannerly, then we can accept their friendship. We can try to make them good. Take the stairs. Now you all know that no success is started from the left. Everyone has to walk the stairs. Now the main reason over here is if I will try that. Now if I'm doing an exam, sometimes teacher has gone out of the class. So my friend which is sitting at side of me, he is taking one paper and copying from it. So in an example, he is using the lift, a simple way. But I have studied in my another side. One my friend has studied and he is writing from his own, which he have learned and everything. He has practiced, and then so now who will get success? Now in this way, think like that. At my which the friend which has written, which have learned everything, he have made like from 50 he have made 40 marks, and the my friend which has copied, he has got 49 marks. Now you will say that yeah, copying was a good thing, but he has copied. I think that he has got a job about this thing which we have done, like a doctor, and we have done science. Now, if sometimes some case comes like that, some critical case, if we will not do this operation, then he will die. But he have to done copied. He doesn't knows anything about it. Now, how will do the operation? So in this case, he have been failed. So no work of his taking the lift. But the friend which has done hard work and he has got 40 marks. Now operation comes like this to over here. He will solve it easily, and because of him, the life has came again to that person. Now don't buy things you don't need. Now people just think that yeah, this is very costly or this is very good looking, so I will take, then I will tell people that I have this. Then but we have to not waste things like this. We should not buy things which is no need in our life. Like if we want to do a project and I need 10 papers, and if I am taking one full stack of 50 papers, then it's a wastage. But if I want 10 papers and I am taking a little bit like 15, then it's okay that we can understand that 5 papers, if sometimes something happens or something is wasted, then these 5 papers will become additional for usage. So we have to not waste, we should save. Don't waste, start save. Now do one thing at one time. Now many people try to do more things at a particular time. Like if if I have to clean the room, then what I will do, if I am cleaning a bedroom, I will try that first I will do the bed. Some people what they will do, if there are many things like there are pillows, then there are bed covers, and then there are blankets over there. So some people will try to take 5 to 4 pillows and to take them and put them very neatly. But what is happening? All this they are going down, they are falling down. But if I am doing one at a time, it's becoming neatly. So that's why this thing proves us do one thing at one time. Now drink more water. Now our body is 75% of water, and we need more water than food. Whenever you feel tired, have some fresh or warm water, because water boosts our brain. So that's why water is more important in our life. And that's why the earth is more filled from water than the land. Be grateful for everything you have. Now, everything we have, we should just think about it. We should not just say that I want that, I want this. There are a lot of people who lack the things you have today. So be grateful for that. Turn off your mobile at night. Now, we all have the habit to keep our mobile below the pillow, but it is not a good habit at all. Mobile radiation is bad for our eyes, which you know, but it is bad for our brain also. It can make many serious problems for our brain. We should keep the mobile far from us, and yeah, we should use it for just for taking knowledge. And yeah, you all know that mobiles, this knowledge and these technology is made for just our good things, not for bad. Yeah, some things on it are good, are bad, like its radiation and that all, but it has more plus points in it. Visit new peoples and places. Now must visit a new place every month or quarterly if possible. It will open your mind and you will better understand about the world. If we visit new places, we can understand their things, how they're like. If we are living in a city and that all, we can understand how people live in all that villages and there all, how there are animals in the jungle, how they live, how much animals are there. You can see in a zoo and that all. Then the 14th one, read one book a month. Now you all will say that one book I can read in just one day and complete. Yeah, but are you understanding its meaning clearly? Now, and if you're getting bored when you sleep, when you are sleeping, you can read books at that time. You'll automatically get sleep. You will get a little bit knowledge also. Make more than one income stream. Now, you will think that I am getting money from this particular thing. If I am making a business of thing that I am making a company, and if I am getting money from this company, and if some problems, this money is now not working for a month, then a big loss is there for me, because this whole month what I will do, I don't have money now, because whatever money is there coming from the company, it is used. So that's why there should be more than one income stream, because if one fails, the second is there, second fails, the third is there. Then give more, take less. Now we should give more knowledge to everyone. Let's make this year the best year of your life by giving others what they need without expecting anything from back. Now many people say that, yeah, I will help him, he will also help me. I will give him this thing, he will also give me something. No, we should just help them for just their thing, because now if they need this, we should give them. We should not take always something from others. People will automatically start giving you back. If you start living with them very properly, they will feel very good. You will feel the satisfaction in your life. If you need love, give love to others first. Stop angering. Yep, now no one loves those who are always angry. People look for someone with whom they can share their feelings openly. If you are the one who is always angry with his child or wife or employee or anyone, should say it's enough. Now try opposite and see the difference in your life. Now everyone in the life, someone is there or some friend is there where you say something to him, he doesn't feel bad, you share your things with him. So if you always start being angry, you will, every friend, every person will be start avoiding you. Take a long holiday this year. Now if you are the one who always is busy with his work, either you are in a job profession or have your own business, it does not matter, your family expecting some beautiful moments to spend with each other. Make a plan to explore a beautiful place where your family always want to go, but due to your busy schedule, they could not go there. So believe me, your life will be more beautiful after that. Now clean your workplace daily. Now we should, where we work always, where we start doing things always, so we should make that things clean, because that is our daily routine like thing. If it is not clean, a daily routine is not properly, then there will be many problems in your life. Now start something that you dreamed. Now if your dream is to become, like, I want to become engineer, for example, I want to become engineer. So from now only I can prepare for becoming an engineer. I can start learning new things of robotics, of science and that all. So yep, it will be very simple. When I will grow big, it will be very simple for me to become an engineer. Just start something that you dream. So today we have learned about resolutions. Now, as we have talked about Resolutions are the things which we promise from ourselves that we will do this thing and this new year and continue it for our whole life. So that's why we have today learned about resolutions. And yeah, don't forget that we have learned 45 plus resolutions. So please like, share and subscribe our channel. So like, share and subscribe our channel. And yeah, thanks for watching our video till the end. Click the bell icon so that you will get a future video notification when we put some videos. Thanks for watching.